Ever wondered how to make a perfect lobster thermidor at home? It might seem like a daunting task, but with the right ingredients and a bit of patience, anyone can create this luxurious dish. So, prepare to impress with this classic French recipe that will surely elevate your next dinner party. Start by gathering all the ingredients. For this dish, you'll need lobster tails, butter, flour, heavy cream, Dijon mustard, cognac or brandy, Gruyere cheese, egg yolks, salt, pepper, and some fresh herbs. Parsley works exceptionally well in this recipe. The first step involves the lobster tails. Cook them until they're just right. Once they're done, carefully remove the meat from the shells. This step requires a bit of finesse, as you want to keep the shells intact for later use. Set the meat aside and keep the shells handy. Now it's time to make the creamy sauce. Start by sautéing butter and flour together in a pan. This mixture, known as a roux, will serve as the base of the sauce. Once the roux has reached a light golden color, slowly add in the heavy cream, stirring constantly to avoid any lumps. Next, incorporate the Dijon mustard and your choice of cognac or brandy. This will give the sauce a nice depth of flavor. Then, stir in the Gruyere cheese until it has completely melted into the sauce. The next step is to temper in the egg yolks. This involves gradually adding some of the hot sauce to the yolks while stirring constantly. This process prevents the yolks from scrambling when they are added to the hot sauce. Now fold in the lobster meat that you set aside earlier. Season the mixture with salt, pepper, and your chopped herbs. Give it a good stir to make sure everything is evenly distributed. Spoon this rich and creamy mixture back into the lobster shells that you saved. Sprinkle a generous amount of Gruyere cheese on top and broil until the cheese is golden and bubbly. And there you have it, a perfect lobster thermidor, made right in your own kitchen. This dish, with its rich, creamy sauce and succulent lobster, is a true testament to the elegance of French cuisine. So, don your apron, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to create a culinary masterpiece that's sure to impress. Bon appétit!